to PYROWORKS. I'm your resident host, Mad Scientist John. Today, I've been setting off some firecrackers. They're called jumping jacks, and they're about this big, and all they do is they sit and they spin and fly up into the air. I wanted to see how they worked, so I got my slow-mo camera out, stuck it in front of that, stuck it in some water too, so I've just done a little bit of editing, set up a montage for you, and we will let you see. Tell me what you think in the comments below, and we'll talk to you afterwards. Alright, well I hope you guys liked that. I did have a lot of fun. It was really interesting just to see how they got up into the air. And again, this is just my first episode, so I've had a lot of fun doing it. It's just a small thing. We've actually done a couple of other things, which you'll see in later videos. I'm going to have guests on here part-time, partially, sometimes, every once in a while. If only I could talk. You know, if I could learn how to talk properly in front of this camera with these two lights shining and glaring at me, that would be great. But anyways, so we're going to go out. We're just going to have a lot of fun on this show. It's mostly going to be about fire and explosions. So I'm actually planning on getting some dry ice in a couple of weeks. And we're just going to see what we can do with that. You know, explosions with dry ice bombs can be a lot of fun. So stay tuned for that one. But anyways, so we will see you next time. If you did like this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button to see more, and we will see you later. Bye!